Okay, handshape. Signs. Yellow. Okay. Tube. Now it could be a tube that looks like this, a tube that looks like that, a tube that looks like that, or a pole. White. Perfect. Glasses. Medal. Dots. Dots. Volunteer. T. Log on, log off. Log on, log off. Or connect and disconnect. Link. Or it could be a chain. Elastic. Thin. So that can be a thin person, or the material is thin, and your lips need to go like that. Straw. Flower. Garden. Garden. Mine's gone blank. Interpreter. Swap. Swap. Ask. I'll ask you, or you ask me, or you ask them, or ask everyone. Sew. As in your clothes, you're sewing up a hole. Plan. So that's the hand shape. Palms towards each other. Plan. It's also the sign for design. Postpone. Put it off, put it off, put it off. Now so colour. And in New South Wales and in Queensland, that is the sign for dog. And if you think about it, that's the collar, and your arm is the lead, and you're walking the dog. But generally here in Victoria, dog, not dog. But both are acceptable.